Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a cauli mac and cheese. That's right, a cauliflower mac and cheese. Now nothing says yum like mac and cheese, but let's see how the keto version goes. So this recipe was taken from this book. It looks good, so we're going to give it a try. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven 450 degrees. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of ghee, melted ghee. I don't have melted ghee, so I used melted butter. 1 head of cauliflower. You know, just chop it into the florets. I put a little bit of salt on there. Now you're preheating your oven at 450. Now I'm going to put some pepper. Now this is all to taste. And this is going to go in the oven for 15 minutes. And while it's in the oven, you're going to make the cheese sauce. So I'm going to just put this, spread this out on a cookie sheet. So what you'll need for the cheese is 1 package of cream cheese. I put it in a cup because it calls for 1 cup. I wanted to see if it was 1 cup. It is indeed 1 cup. You got half a cup of half and half. You've got half a cup of creme fraiche. I'll leave the video card in the video if you want to learn how to make your own and save yourself some money. If not, you can just use sour cream. I've got half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric's going to give it that cheesy color. Half a teaspoon of dried onion flakes. And 1 heaping teaspoon of garlic paste. You can either buy it, or if you want to make your own, it's called toom, and I have a video for that. So let's get this in the oven. So I'm going to put the milk in there, the onion, garlic. We're going to put the heat on real low for this for now. Cream cheese, the creme fraiche, and we'll put that turmeric in there. Now I've never had this before, so I have no idea what to expect. Alright, so I'm going to cook this down and then we'll be back. Alright, this has been going for, I don't know, about 5 minutes or so. It's still a little bit lumpy, so the only thing I can say is if you know that you're going to do this ahead of time, leave the cream cheese out to get the room temperature. It'll probably go a lot faster, but so far this whole process has only been taking about 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm just going to keep an eye on this, make sure nothing happens to it. So it looks like 15 minutes is up. I'm going to take that cauliflower out of the oven. I don't know how many servings this is, but I don't know. I'll put the information from the book on the video, just so you can see what the counts are on this. Okay, now the sauce, I guess it's supposed to, the color's supposed to mimic cheese. It's not that deep orange, but it is a cheese. There's cream cheese in there, and I'm just going to plate it up this way. It says to mix it all together, but I'd rather just drizzle it on top. There you have it. So there you have it, cauliflower mac and cheese. Get a little bite here. Not bad. Probably can use a little bit of salt. Yeah, not bad at all. I hope you like this. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. So let me go prepare, and I'll do a weigh-in. Okay, so when I started this, my start weigh-in on March, I believe it was March 15th, was 294, and last week I was 282. I've lost 16 pounds in about, I guess, a little bit more than a month, maybe 6 weeks, something like that, month and a half. But yeah, so it's working, but it's hard. The sugar cravings are just not stopping. So yeah. Anyway, well, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you come back again for the next video.